Hey yo everybody, what is good? It's your boy Eddie back again with another video, and I appreciate you guys for tuning in for another video. And I want to thank you guys all so much for showing love on the last video. It meant so much to me, for real. And I just decided to pick up the camera today and was more of like, why don't I do a day, like a vlog day? I don't know how to say it, like just I'm bringing you guys along on what I do throughout my day. So as of right now, I'm on my way to work, and you guys will be a little surprised where I pull up to work right now. You guys will be like, what the? So you guys will see right now. But if you guys are all having a great morning, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new, and be part of the family. But you guys will be, I'm telling you, guys will be surprised where I pull up right now. And look at where I'm at. Oh shit, I have to go in right now, but I will clear it up and make some explanation once I get out of work. All right, I know you're surprised. Trust me, I was surprised. Your boy is finally off. All right guys, so I'm pretty sure you guys want an explanation on why I'm back at In-N-Out. It's pretty simple. They offered me a bigger bag. They offered me a better pay. Amazon was just $15.80 something. And don't get me wrong, they got like OT and all that. They pay weekly, In-N-Out's bi-weekly and all that. It was just a bag, bro. You know, they offered more, so I was like, you know what, I'm down. It's cool. The pay is not bad at all. Like, it's actually really good, and especially for cleanup that what I'm doing. Like, I'm not in there taking orders or anything like that, you know. I'm just there to make sure it's all ready, cleaned up for the morning, and we leave. And yeah, that's exactly what we did. And now I'm on my way to the gym with Ulysses and Gabe. I'm about to go home though, get ready, change up, and then head to the gym with them and get a nice little workout. And you guys, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. You guys are gonna be with me all day today, see what I do. Cause yeah, I just want you guys to get a feel of what I really do throughout my days. You know, some days I don't do anything, some days I do something. You know, it's just all depends on the day. But yeah guys, I'm back at In-N-Out. Look at this dude. Man, this gate is big. We at Crunch, baby. About to get this fat ass workout in. Oh, haters, dude. There it comes. Said yo. Looking thick, dude. So once again, I didn't record the gym workout. Why? Because I was too into the damn workout and I just didn't pick up the camera. I know I should have. And then I left my camera because I totally forgot. We went hiking. So we went hiking to Reseda, and now I came back, got ready, all showered up, because I'm about to go to Gabriel's house and we're gonna watch what's it called? Jinya, the Kanye West documentary. And yeah. Oh, and I'm gonna get my car washed later tonight too. So after that, after being in Gabriel's house, I'm gonna go wash my car because it needs the damn wash so bad that I even had to wash my damn towels. You know, I gotta get them ready.
We're calling, but he doesn't answer.
Yeah, you better. This motherfucker doesn't want to open the door for us. What you looking at, fool? What you looking at, fool?
Yo, this goes.
What?
What? What's up, Doc?
I'm tired, dog. Oh, dude, today I did a pull-up challenge thing. Look.
Did you win?
I did 20 pull-ups.
All the Marines?
We tired, bro. We tired. We tired.
Dude. And the bar rolls
Fuck, I got a free car wash. Don't gotta wash it. Yes. Neat. Oh, look at that. It kind of slowed down for us right now.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yes!
It was raining hard when we
I know. Guys, so I'm supposed to wash my car today. Well, I was supposed to wash it yesterday, but you saw how it was raining. And so far it's kind of cloudy. And I think I'm gonna just wait till tonight, see, hopefully it doesn't rain, and then I get to wash it, because yeah, she dusty. But the rain helped a little bit, but I definitely need a wash still. I'm about to eat real good because it's Friday. Just got back from the gym with some Valentina. Sorry I don't have tapatio because I'm a bitch, but Valentina, Still fire. Oh, it's a beautiful day today. We washing the car today. That's where I'm going. We're gonna get this car nice and washed because, oh my God, look how dirty you guys can see it. Look at that. Oh my God. Definitely needs a wash. So we're definitely gonna go do that right now. So let's go wash this car, start the morning right, and then come back, get ready, and do our thing. But you know we gotta get that cold start first, you feel me? Hold up. Oh, yep, she's all done. Look how glistening she is. Sheesh. Oh, yeah. Now I gotta go home and do my windows because I don't have any of the other products with me. But overall, she good. She good. And voila. Oh, hold up. Let me stop this.
If you guys are asking.
Boom, bro. Finito. She is nice and clean. Put some tire shine on there, you know what I mean? Got the windows all nice and clean. Damn, I'm just rhyming because I got the time to do that. You feel me? No, I'm just kidding. But tire shine here again. Make sure I got all the windows. I did take off all the stickers behind there just to give it that clean look. I was like, you know what? Whatever. It's because as I was washing, it was already coming off with the pressure washer. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna remove all of them. So I did. So now the only ones that I have are the Inzane Trd one, the GL Designs one, and the Instagram and YouTube handle. But overall, man, she looking good, dude. And one thing I also wanted to mention, these wheels are for sale. These wheels are for sale. I have I think those are tail lights, my OEM tail lights. The smoked triple beam headlights. You guys already know with one of them it's already like messed up. The main triple beam lights don't work. It is fixable, but I'm just not trying to fix it, so I'd rather just sell them. So those are up for sale, and so are my TRD OEM headlights are for sale. So any of you guys are interested in that, let me know. Shoot me a DM on the IG, whatever, and I'll get back to you guys ASAP. So, you know, we go from there. All right, guys, it's here. Finally here. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you're about to right now. But if you know, you know. Damn. Oh shit! Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Oh my God. That's so sexy. Oh shit. So guys, I got the steering wheel. Carbon fiber with Alcantara red stitching with the airbag cover, of course. Oh my God, bro. With the red stripe on top. It's so light. With the shift knob, of course. But damn, bro, I've been waiting. It's been like 2 months since I've been waiting for this steering wheel. And it's beautiful. The last clip you guys just saw was me at the studio with my boy Chris and his homie Sergio and his girlfriend and Chris's girlfriend, and two of other Chris's friends pulled up as well later on the night. It was so dope because they're like learning. Well, one of them, Sergio, is like good on the DJ set, bro. Like that dude is crazy good. I was just vibing like shit was sick. And Chris is like still learning, and Sergio's teaching him. And Sergio was teaching me yesterday how to like work the keys and how to mix and how to beat match and all that, which was so dope. So it's probably like a little something I'm gonna probably start catching up on, like a little hobby, because bro, it's a vibe and it's so dope. Just learning how to DJ and get the vibe going. It's so sick. Yeah, guys, that was the end of the vlog. I'm gonna end it right here. And I just want to end it on a positive note, you feel me? And that is, this week I've been getting a lot of hate on the Camry. So this week we're just gonna talk about And I want you guys to know that don't let any of that hate get to you guys. Like, if you're doing a build that you love to do and you're having fun with it, that's all that matters, bro. Like, fuck the negativity that everybody's just throwing up in the comment section and saying it's slow, all this and that. Like, us Camry people, we know our cars are slow. We don't care. We're having fun. We're building it. Because you don't see many people building Camrys out there. And now that the Camry scene's getting bigger and bigger, it's just so dope. So one thing, guys, like I'm always saying, is just keep it positive. You don't even got to respond to the dumbass remarks they got, because it's just a waste of energy. And yeah, just fuck that negativity, bro. It's all bullshit. Haters are gonna hate. It's the motto, and it just is what it is, you know. So keep it positive, guys. Don't let that shit dwell on you guys. Anything in life, don't let shit like that dwell on you, because I'm telling y'all, that negativity is strong. You don't want it to latch on you. The more you spread that positivity and you receive it, bro, it's just coming back and forth. Positive energy, just back and forth, baby. So like I'm always saying, baby, keep it positive. But if you guys did enjoy this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you guys are new, join the family. You know, it's all vibes here, and we don't judge, we don't care. But that steering wheel, also before I leave, that steering wheel will get put on soon. I was gonna do it myself, but I don't have the proper tools to do it, so I can't do it myself. So I might take it to my local shop and have them do it. But yeah, guys, that will be up soon. I will make a video on it, don't even worry. I won't leave you hanging on that. But yeah, guys, this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.